Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming guest editions are installed inside the virtual machine. This enables seamless full screen. Open Virtualbox Manager, select the VM and adjust display. Increase video memory and enable 3D acceleration. This prevents lag. Once done, boot the guest OS and press the host key plus F to toggle full screen. You do this now because full screen depends on those drivers and settings. Without them, the guest will not scale or accept pointer integration correctly. Once in full screen, make sure Auto Resize Guest Display is enabled so the guest adapts to your monitor. This lives under the View menu. If the guest remains low resolution, change the guest OS display settings to a 16:9 resolution that matches your host monitor. You may need to reinstall or update guest editions if scaling options are missing. Also, toggle the host key behavior if pointer capture feels off. That ensures smooth mouse and keyboard transitions when you leave full screen. You finish by saving a snapshot so you can return to this working full screen state. Snapshots preserve settings and avoid rework. If the screen flickers or elements are off, reinstall guest editions via device's right arrow insert guest editions CD image inside the guest, then run the installer and reboot. As a primary troubleshooting tip, restart both the guest and host system. This clears driver locks and refreshes display services, and often fixes stubborn resolution or input capture problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.